Hi everybody, Donata Joseph is me. I am the CEO and founder of Donata Skinfood. And what I love to do is talk about all things mind, body, skin, and hair. What sets us apart from other companies is the educational piece and really helping you understand that your skin and hair starts from the inside. So we take the inside and external approach, and that's what Donata Skinfood is all about. And this year we'll be celebrating our 7-year anniversary. I am a mother of 3, and this line started after losing my job. Donata Skinfood is all about natural, vegan, plant-based products. If the ingredients do not grow from the ground, it is not in our product. That's why we call the line Donata, meaning gift of God, and Skin Food, feeding your skin. I sell products for the skin and hair like body butter, scrubs, soaps, hair moisturizer, hairspray, rice packets, sea moss. I do wholesale some products also and sell. Some of my ingredients like the moringa oil and the Haitian hair oil are sourced from Haiti, and we have a warehouse in Opelika where we manufacture the products. I got started after losing my job in 2013. Long story short, I prayed and God's direction was for me to start the skin line, and that's how Donata Skinfood was birthed. How did I become successful? After 6 years in business, my daughter decided, Ariana Abraham, to post a tweet, and that tweet was picked up by 2 other people, retweeted, and went viral, and all of a sudden, my business came from 5 figures to 6 figures in 1 year. My orders came from 10 to 15 orders a day, some 0, but averaging 200 to 300 orders in a month to 1,900 orders in 1 day. Although I saw this business as a small base business, after it going viral, I really realized, and after the testimonies, I realized this is truly my calling, and from there it's just been growing. So, if you're having any skin problems, check us out on Instagram. We are always answering questions via DM, or you can send us an email at skintips@donata.co. Purchase our products. We have a sample box called the Glow Up Set, and the Glow Up Set helps to give you little samples of most of our major products, our top line products. It gives you a chance to sample them, and from there you can move on to the full products. But definitely you want to check us out on Instagram. You definitely want to get up our Glow Up trial size set and come on board, join Donata Skinfood.